In this movie, we'll take a look at the for loop. So start off by opening up our actions panel, and then we will write for, set of empty parentheses, and then a set of empty braces, which is pretty similar to the if statement and the while loop. But with the for loop, there is a minor difference. Inside here, we will not be only typing a condition, we will be doing the 3 stages that the while loop required in one quick step, which is creating an initial variable, which is I, and assigning an initial value to it, and setting up the condition for that number I, and then incrementing the number by a certain value. So start off by creating the variable var I, it's of type number, which we will set equal to 0, let's say, and then a semicolon, space. Then here we will write the condition that needs to be satisfied by I for the loop to keep on looping. So we write I less than or equal to 10, and then we increment I by 1. We can do it by typing I plus plus, or by writing I plus equals 1. And in this set of braces, I will write trace I. Just a movie, pretty much from 0 to 10, just like what happened with the while loop. So we can see that the for loop is a much easier way to doing what the while loop did. Now this is really some basic syntax for the for loop. As we get on forward with the arrays and vectors, we will see some much more uses for the for loop. But the whole purpose of the first set of videos is to introduce you to ActionScript and its basic functions. And by the way, there is no limit to what you can do in combining for loops, while loops, do while loops, and if statements. So I can have a while loop inside a for loop, an if statement inside a for loop, and a for loop inside an if statement. Feel free to go crazy with those if you want to.